Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. Now, this one comes from Everydayecrafts. Okay, I'm going to say it again. Everydayecrafts. This company is so great. I really like this company, and you know what? They have got some of the cutest stuff. And they don't only have diamond paintings on this website. They have also got paint by numbers. They have got cross stitch. They have got to where you can customize a canvas. They've got all kinds of stuff. They've got accessories. And they have got a ton of cross stitch patterns and a ton of diamond painting patterns or images. So I just want to say thank you to Everydayecrafts for allowing me the privilege to show their products on my channel so that my subscribers can see what they're going to get before they purchase. So what did I get? Y'all, I love these leaf trays. And although I do have the yellow ones, I don't have any of the pink ones. So I ordered the pink ones. And then if you've been following me, you've seen I got a friend mail, and they had put one of the pink leaf trays in there. So I had actually ordered this before I got that package, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I love these trays. These are almost my go-to trays. I love them. And y'all, this was $2.99 on their site, Everydayecrafts. And you get 2 trays for $2.99, y'all. You can't beat that. You can't get trays for that, period, anywhere. So, these are square drills, and these trays feel so good in your hand. They just fit, they just fit a person's hand so well. And the squares, they line up excellent, just excellent, lovely. I love these trays. So, yeah. For $2.99, you get 2 trays because they come together. Alright, I just wanted to show that. And they just fit snug. So when you go to put these up in your drawer or whatever, they just fit right together. Isn't that great? So, $2.99 for those. Alright, so we're going to start with this smaller canvas. Or I say smaller, but I think they're both the same size. Okay, so this one is a poured glue. And it comes with just your standard toolkit, which is your green boat, your pink square of wax, and a pink pin with a single placer on the end. Okay? The drills are in the strip. And looks like there might be 23 colors in this. Now, I'm not going to open the drills because I've got another canvas to show. But it's showing the canvas number is on the bag of drills. So, and this is a poured glue round, like I said. It is a 30 by 40. And y'all, I have just started. Y'all thought I was bad with the gnomes. Look, y'all, I am starting to be obsessed with the gorgeous girls. I just absolutely love them. I really do. So, this is a 30 by 40. There's the canvas number, which corresponds with the bag of drills. I don't know if you can see the thumbnail because it's so small, but there's the thumbnail. It has 23 colors. The DMC number is on the schematic. And we have a schematic on the top left, bottom right. Look at how pretty she is. She is so pretty. And this would be a good one for drills and chills, because it's got the sugar skulls down here, and it's got some playing cards. It's got the 4 aces, and she's got her little headband on, and her little dress, her little striped socks, and her little boots. And there's more cards up here. All the roses and the heart. And look, it's got a banner in there. And if you were very, what would you call it? I don't want to say artsy, but if you wanted to, you could actually spell something in there with your drills, I think. You could down here too. But yeah, so pretty. Good stick. This was $6.99, and they are called Gorgeous Doll. But look at that. The drill field is excellent. A lot of confetti. But you probably, like in here in the dress and like some of the stripes, you could get away with doing a 4-placer. Right in there. I probably wouldn't go any more than a 4-placer. But yeah, it is confetti heavy. But look at all of those different shades of red. Y'all might not be able to see. I try to knock these down. But look, all of the shades of reds and grays, and there's some black, and there's the blue, and there's a green, mauves. Yeah, so pretty. So, like I said, this is a 30 by 40 poured glue round for $6.99. Very pretty. I love it. All right, I'm going to set this one to the side, and we will grab the other one. All right, so this one should be a 30 by 40 also. Yeah. So this one, standard kit. All right. And it is a round. And it has the canvas number on the bags of drills. And this is another poured glue. And it is another Gorgeous Girl. See, y'all, I told you. I am tiny bit obsessed with these now. All right, so 30 by 40. Here is the thumbnail. If I can pull that plastic off. Hopefully y'all can see this. It has got 20 colors. The DMC is charted on the schematic. It is all letters. You've got a schematic on your top left, bottom right. But look at all these blues. It is so pretty. But she's a little fairy, and she's got her wings, and there's a butterfly, and there's a butterfly. And then she's got little stars on her stockings. And then her little boots. She's got a little bit of blue in her hair. Look at all of that blue. Isn't that gorgeous? That's why they call them Gorgeous Girls. So, yeah. So, let's see. Again, I'm not going to pour these out. But let's look at the palette. Look at all those blues. Oh, my goodness. And then we've got some orange, some yellow, some green. And then, like I said, it's got the canvas number. They match. But oh my goodness, all that blue, all them different shades of blue. Isn't that pretty? So this one on the site is $6.99 also. Now, I will say that one of these, I don't remember which one it is, but one of these was $8.99 on sale for $6.99, and then the other one was $10.49, and it was on sale for $6.99. I think this one is the one that was $10.49, and this one was $8.99. But right now, on their website, you can get them for $6.99 each. So, what do y'all think? I think these are, as they're called, gorgeous. And I think there's just, I cannot get over all that blue. And purple's my favorite color, but I love all that blue. So, the pink leaf tray, $2.99. Now, they are having a summer sale right now on Everydayecrafts website for 30% off, okay? And like I said, they have got all kinds of stuff. Cross stitch, diamond painting. They've got accessories, tools. They've got paint by numbers. And then they've got a section that is $3.99 and up, okay? So yeah, what do y'all think about these? So again, I just want to say thank you to Everydayecrafts for allowing me to show their products to all of y'all so that you can see what you get before you buy. And this gives y'all a little bit of an idea of what their stuff looks like. So, y'all leave me a comment. I'll leave the links to all of this in my description box. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.